What's good, y'all? Just woke up. Just want y'all to see this little view. I think it's about like 7 in the morning here. We stayed up partying, all type of stuff, man, last night, man. It was crazy, bro. Like, I don't know how to get this door unlocked, but I'm trying to get this door unlocked. Y'all gotta check this view out. Y'all hear them roosters? Stop playing. The air's so fresh. Man, crazy. I'm not gonna lie though, it's expensive out here, like super expensive. But it's crazy because everybody was saying, right, that I was gonna be the one still in the bed. I was gonna be tired. But you know what's crazy? I went to bed after everybody. And they still sleep. They must not know who I am, bro. I got a night job, you know what I'm saying, where I work nights. And they be up, you know what I'm saying, during the day. Now they still sleep. I had to come in because some dang roosters. Hey, we done made it to Koki Beach. Gotta check it out. Man. Water is clear, not green, like Norfolk. Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah.
Probably. We gonna do chairs? Yeah. Yeah.
Go like this. Look at it go.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Stop playing. Remember you and Will used to run down the beach? Used to race everybody that came down the beach. Ooh, we got the shots.
Oh, that's why you got up. Okay, I see you.
Just a little update. It's day 2 still, right? And we went to the beach today. We stayed at the beach pretty much the whole day. And I don't know if y'all could tell, but I am darker. Like, my face hurts. My body is sore. Yeah, we partied all last night. Woke up, went to the beach. And we was there really until like 4. Yeah, man. Came back and went to sleep. I'm just waking up. And it's like 10 at night. You know? They probably gonna say, let's go to the club or something. But hey, we on vacation.
Yeah. Pass the new we said.
Selling for drugs. Drug addict.
There you go. Oh. Drug addict. I don't know what Key was doing. Y'all saw that shit? Y'all saw that? Oh, Key was wild. He was wild, bro.